That's the one we call chin chin in Nigeria. This is like the Trinidad and Tobago Kurma, very close to Kurma. So I'm gonna offer this to some Trinis. This one is from Nigeria actually, right? I'm gonna ask some Trinis who came here to see us to eat it and compare with Kurma. Let me hear what they have to say about this one, man. Chin chin. Would you guys mind trying this? This is Nigerian chin chin. Wait, nah. This is not snail. This is chin chin. Close to Kurma. Let me know which one is better. You eat Kurma already, right? Which one do you think is better?
What do you use? Flour?
Yeah, flour. Yeah.
Very close, but what do you think? Don't take me.
Yeah, mate?
Okay.
Very close. I prefer Kurma.
You prefer Kurma?
Yeah, but I like it nice.
Trini to the bone.
Kurma have a ginger.
Ginger in it?
The lychee.
Okay. Yeah. All right. You enjoying it though? He said he preferred his Kurma, but I would say it's 50-50. Both Kurma and Chin Chin, they are very amazing, right? Try the Nigerian Chin Chin, you will love it. Blessings.